Hello, how are you? Oh my god. Crazy.
Are you parked here in the street?
Yeah.
You can also park here if you want.
Ah, I found this spot.
Yeah? It's like that? It's so weird to speak English again. It's so weird to speak English again. Okay. Hello y'all, so we're here with...
Hi, Fred again.
Fred again. So this is the guy I met in Australia and we're here again in Belgium. He's visiting me for a few days and I'm taking you along with me on our few day trip here in Belgium, I guess, because yeah, we're gonna do some places here. Let's go. When you go on a trip with an architect.
Yeah.
Hey Freddy.
Such a crime, 'cause we're in our prime. You will be alright when the stars align, 'cause you are mine and you satisfy me, and you satisfy me, and you satisfy.
How are you enjoying the Belgian waffle?
Super tasting.
It's tasty. So it's a Belgian waffle with chocolate and then strawberries. The mine is just with whipped cream.
But you act so modest, you're always so cautious. Fight for you like Adonis, giving you energy like I am Sonic. You will be just fine in the summertime, and it's such a crime, 'cause we're in our prime. You will be alright when the stars align, 'cause you are mine and you satisfy me, and you satisfy me, and you satisfy me. Like I don't know nothing when I got to lose. I just wanna spend the day with you. I've been wasting my time in the afternoon. I know we'll be alright. We're different worlds and different places.
Okay, I hope you can understand because there's a lot of wind, but we just went into the ocean.
It's so hot here, I'm closely melting. It's literally my first time in the Belgian sea.
I know we'll make it right, 'cause it's our time. We've got to say it. You will be just fine in the summertime, and it's such a crime, 'cause we're in our prime.
Freezing my tits off.
So we just got back from the beach and it was really cool. It was really cold though, but anyways, we're gonna try out some Belgian chocolate. Of course I know what it tastes like, but he doesn't. So I bought this in Bruges and now he's gonna take a bite. Is it really good? Yeah? So we're visiting the European Parliament and we're all getting like this little phone kind of things. So we like listen to an audio and get information about this whole center because it's very like important here in Europe. So here are all the flags of the 27 state members. Good job, right? So we're having our lunch right now. Is it good?
You will be alright when the stars align, 'cause you are mine and you satisfy me. We go round and round, your voice in my head, it's a beautiful sound, like an ultrasound.
Freddy said go. What is it?
It's so beautiful up here.
like take colors.
Cause you will